everyone, it's Kim here with a technique taster for Creative Scrapbooker Magazine. We're going to make a fun little gift card holder today, and I'm using some products from Art Impressions. This is the card I'm going to share with you. It's a little gift card, and you just take off this little piece of twine and open it up, and you've got this fun little bobble bum floating around at you. You've got a spot to put a gift card, a spot up at the top for a sentiment, and we're going to start this process with a simple lunch bag. For my project, I have cut off the top of the lunch bag so that I have a 10-inch length, and the lunch bag itself is 5 inches, so it makes a really nice 5x5 card when we put it together. The flap is going to come up to the top, and this will create the little pocket for a gift card. So it's really simple to put this together. From my Simple Stories paper, I've cut and scored a piece of paper 5 by 10 inches in size. I have one that will fold over the top and one fold and tuck under the little pocket. I'm going to take my mono adhesive. I found that a liquid adhesive worked really well on the type of craft paper that the bags are made out of. This Tombow mono makes a really nice bond with your paper. Bring your flap of your bag down and add just a line of adhesive to the edges to create the pocket, and fold that up. The bottom of the flap, we're going to put another piece of paper to cover the bottom of the bag. And flip it over, and I've cut a coordinating piece that will come on to the top of the front part of the card when it's folded. So this way you have the front of your card, you open it up, and you have the inside, which is nice and colorful. You have the pocket that is ready to go for your gift card. So we're going to put this away just for a second, and we'll work on the stamped components. For the front of our card, I've got just a small piece of paper, and my stamp here, I'll just position it where I want it to be, and I'm pulling out my ColorBox archival dye ink. And this is where the fun of coloring comes. We're going to just color our image just very lightly. I didn't do a ton of coloring here. The card itself has lots of color. Then I like to take some of my ColorBox ink, just like to ink up the edges just to keep that color and give a little bit of definition. This will become an accent on the front of our card. I cut a piece of paper just to tuck under the back of it. Move your paper around, and we will tack this on to the front of our card. The inside of our card, we have a couple of things going on. I do have just a white piece of cardstock that I'll position at the top. I would also ink the edges of that, and that's a spot that you can write a message on. For the bottom, we are going to again take the second stamp, we would ink it onto our cardstock and come out with this piece here. I'm going to color a little differently because I need to do the bobble top. So we're just going to color the outside edges. Concerned about this portion of it. These little bits that fall around the circle, we do care about them being the best coloring that they can. I'm going to put this on a piece of paper again, do my edges with some chalk ink from ColorBox, which is a Clearsnap product, and we'll put that aside and we will tack this onto this portion of our inside. I wanted to show you, this is our inside that we created with the little wobble. Our sentiment card holder is there. One thing that I did do on the front here for this one, just to show you how the smooch works, is I did add a little bit of shimmer to the earrings and her lips. Little heart that is showing here is from a sheet of stickers from the Crafty Girl collection from Simple Stories, and I just pulled that out, popped it up with a foam square, and put some of the smooch glitter on that as well. So thanks so much. Sorry we had a little bit of camera difficulty, but it's a fun card to give as a gift card. I think it would be great to receive. I think it will be also so much fun to give. Thanks so much. Bye.